Welcome to my YouTube channel, Simple and Easiest Recipe by Mrs.Kamran. Let's make Degi Mutton Korma in my style. In pressure cooker, add the oil and heat it. Add sliced onions and fry on medium heat until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and salt for 2 minutes until the raw smell is gone. Then add mutton and cook for 5 minutes. Also add sliced cut tomatoes. Add about 2 glasses of hot water and mix well. Add spices, coriander powder 1 tsp. Mix it well. Close the pressure cooker lid. Cook on medium heat around 20 to 25 minutes. Open the lid. There's too much liquid. Separate the liquid. Mutton fry on medium flame until tomatoes are fully cooked. Oil starts to separate. Also add some liquid on it. Some green chili optional. Also add 1 cup yogurt. Cook on high flame. Add liquid. Add garam masala. Cover it. Leave it 10 minutes low flame. Dry coriander and green chili chopped cut. Our Degi Mutton Korma ready. Thanks for watching. I just hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting recipes.